Hey guys, Game Changers back again with another video showing you how to get the best 3 free HD movie apps, no jailbreak or computer. So let's get into this. Hey guys, so as I said, I'm showing you how to get the 3 best free movie apps on iOS that doesn't require a jailbreak or PC to do. So first things first, you do want to go to Panda Helper. And you want to wait for it to load. It's actually pandahelp.vip, pretty easy to remember. And you want to go to the regular version and download. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. You just want to install it as you do everything else. Wait for it to install. And done. So you want to go into your settings, general, it'll either say profiles and device management or it'll say device management. You want to go down to that, tap on there, and then, oh, wrong one, that's for Psycho, and then it'll be this one, but you will have to trust. Oh, bless me guys, you will have to trust it and then trust it again. It will require you to put in your passcode, but it's easy stuff. As soon as you've done that, you're set to go. So you want to skip the ad when it pops up, go to the normal app section, which is the very middle bottom layout. Then if you scroll down on this, instead of having to search for it all, you could easily search for them. There's Movie Box, Bobby Movies, and Movie DB Box, something like that, I believe. The Movie DB, that's the one, plus, so no advertisements and stuff in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. You want to wait for them to download, and then you can install them via Panda Helper. Pretty cool stuff, pretty easy to do. Link will be down in the description. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like if you enjoyed, and stick around if you want to check out what they look like. Other than that, I'm done talking, so I'll leave you, just watch the rest of the video for now, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace. Right now.
Alright, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, and yeah.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the